So this is a case of inferior wall MI, and you can see clearly that there is a 99% stenosis in the RCA region. The patient presented to us with a chest pain duration of 24 hours, and the patient was out of window period. Anyways, we managed the patient conservatively and then took him up for an angiogram. Well, this is another view of the same artery, and you can see that there is slow flow and 99% stenosis in the mid RCA region. A lot of thrombus can be seen, and this is a BMW wire that we've used and a JR catheter. Very tight lesion, as I've already said in my previous videos, that I prefer to use a BMW or a workhorse wire and then gradual escalation. So this is using a balloon support, and you can see that there's a lot of resistance that I can feel, and I will show you the angiogram of the left system. It was a CTO lesion, and anyways, so with the balloon support we were able to cross, and the wire went into the side branch. It's okay. Shifted back to the main branch, and after confirmation of the position, we inflated 2.5 mm balloon, and yes, so we're pre-dilating the lesion. A lot of thrombus, and but anyways, we were able to restore flow. The chest pain disappeared at this point of time, and the blood pressure that was initially borderline, that was 90 by 60, 92 by 70, came to about 100 and 110. So this is a stent. Trying to position the stent. I think this is a fairly right position. So we used a 3.5 mm stent, and we inflated it, and a good inflation was achieved. And yeah, so this is some post dilatation that we're doing of the stent, and yes, post dilatation of the stent again. So I usually do try and post dilate the stent, and yes, a good flow has been achieved. Really happy. Patient went up all right. Discharged after 48 hours, and